So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this kind?
Easy come, easy go.
We're at this street called Dongpong. It's one of the streets sort of have all the food and food stalls and also some shops. If you take a look here. Oh man, it's really cold. It's like 7 degrees, but it's like freezing cold in Osaka right now. We're gonna try to find breakfast here and go to our next stop. We're having actually tough decision because everything seems like really good. We don't really know what we want to eat from. Okay, this is stop 1 for the day, Osaka Castle. So as it turns out, they're actually hosting a Osaka Women's Marathon today. So currently we're just waiting for them to let us go over to the other side. Okay, we have the castle in sight. Alright, back to grinding the stairs. We got 4 more to go. Okay, so we just finished our tour at the Osaka Castle. We're gonna move to our next destination, which is the Osaka Sea Bus. Let's go! Okay, on to the next stop, Osaka Sky Building.
So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this blind? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? Trouble this time, all on the line.
Made it. Well, this wasn't too long. The line looks long, but it only took like 15 minutes. I found like growing up in Japan could be deceiving because sometimes they are pretty efficient, so they could get the line cleared pretty quickly. All right, here we are. Oh my God! Look at this. Okay, so it looks like they actually have 2 floors. So the second floor will be actually the Sky Garden. We're gonna take a walk around and go up there. Wow, we're here. Whoa. So we're finally outside the Sky Garden. It's beautiful out here. As you can see, there are many bridges connecting the north and south side of Osaka together. So they have a world beer selection here inside Osaka Sky Tower, and it says everything here is $500 yen, which is about $6. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we just walked into a food court inside the shopping mall, and we're having a selection problem again. Everything here just seems really good, and we don't really know what we're gonna eat. Come on. After going around several circles, we decided to eat at this Japanese steak place. It's actually pretty good. The price, I think, for what it is pretty decent. It's equivalent about $40 Canadian, but you do get like a set with salad and soup. One thing that we did notice is when we asked for the English menu, it's actually a different menu, and it actually has a lot more of the more pricier items rather than the regular Japanese menu. So it might be something worth watching out when you come to Japan, is always ask both menus and maybe utilize Google Translate, because if we actually go for the English menu, we would actually have eat a lot more expensive stuff.